Welcome to Collision Awareness. Every year, there are over 30,000 serious injuries due to forklift-related accidents. OSHA estimates that 70% of accidents are preventable. Our American-made Lookout units allow for quick and easy recognition of potentially dangerous situations. This example shows how our Lookout One unit can help create awareness in a common two-way intersection. With 42 standard package offerings, our units can cover all areas across your facility. Models can be mounted to walls, pallet rack, and hung from the ceiling. Most of our units are customizable to fit your specific and unique safety needs. Options include an audible alert, bright pulsating floor burst, additional remote sensors, as well as dual-use boxes that can be used indoor or outdoor. Whatever your facility safety needs are, we have a model for your application. Collision Awareness is a family-owned and operated company. For more than a decade, we've been committed to lowering the risk of forklift-related accidents. With over 12,000 units in the field as of 2020, we are proud to be the undisputed leaders of intersection protection across North America. For more information, call our toll-free number or visit our website. Let's start protecting your most important assets today.